kinds of stuff.
Yes, this is all prepared by yours truly, me. So what we have here is impossible taco meat, tortillas. As you can see, we have avocado, pico, sour cream, which is vegan. We have limes, cheese, cilantro, olives, and salsa. And squirt
Squirt.
for burps.
Our meat is plant-based.
Yes, which means no animals were violently slaughtered in the making of this meal.
The only thing that has animals in it would be the cheese. Unfortunately, we have a little dairy, but that's okay. The sour cream is vegan. If you don't believe there's vegan sour cream, well, you're wrong. It's right here. By Tofuti. Is that what it is?
Tofuti.
Tofuti.
Alright, y'all.
Yeah, we're starving. Like, literally quite starving. So, we're going to eat. We got our tortilla warmer.
Oh,
How do you do it?
oh, it's awesome. Ah.
There we go. Now we have our tortillas. Already and prepared.
Ah, God, that's hot.
Torts. We got our torts. Ow!
I fried them in coconut oil.
God, that is hot. We gotta go ahead and assimilate our tacos here.
It looks just like ground beef, but it is not. It's the best part.
Y'all wanna see it? Yeah, look at that. Looks like real meat. Y'all tripping.
Tastes just like it. It's chewy like it and everything.
Got a whole platter of it, bruh. It's a taco party.
It's got a little bit of jalapeno, but not too much, you know, because I got a sensitive little mouth. Not too much now, not too much. I'm definitely gonna give me some avocado, but that goes on the very top. Aside from, you know, I've never had one with olives, so I'm gonna try one of them with olives.
Yeah, you should. I don't know why I put the sour cream on like this, but I did, so don't judge.
It doesn't necessarily dollop like your typical sour cream, but
It tastes better. It doesn't taste like puss.
plus, I also want some avocado.
Too bad.
Wow. Of course you gotta top it with some cilantro. Did you roll it?
No.
Probably gotta cut it a little bit more.
If you guys have never had a vegetarian or vegan taco, you should have it. It's really good.
I'm gonna try the one with the olive first. So I'm curious.
Smacking. I need more meat on this thing. A little more meat would never hurt.
Wow. Bomb.
That scared the heck out of me. Y'all know what you're missing. Nah. Nah. Get a little piñata. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, he's a llama. I'm gonna have to take a break.
Not me. Wrong. I'm not gonna lie, I am getting a little full, but I refuse to listen to it. Because I'm gonna eat 2 giant tacos. Oh no, we almost have cilantro. Ah, the cilantro!
fat tacos, bro.
You know that moment when you start to feel sick because you know you ate too much. Oh, that brought me to my knees. Alright, y'all, see? Giant ass taco.
Fat tacos. Fat tacos. Fatties!
Does not taste like sour cream. Thumbs up if you like me stuffing my face with tacos.
Thumbs up if you think she should put both the tacos in her mouth at the same time. Do you think Rissy could eat all 6 tacos? She's on number 5 right now. She got one more.
Alright, y'all.
Grand finale.
This is the biggest taco. It has the biggest piece of avocado and it has all the olives. Ooh, look at that taco.
Fat taco. She's dripping with sauce.
I'm about to die here.
Oh shit. Oh shit. She's a monster.
I did it, y'all.
This girl really ate 6 tacos. Woo! Everyone give it up for Rissy! If you liked our video, don't forget to
Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell button so you get a notification every single time we do what? Post a video.
until next time.
We out.